Hello, it's Dr. Rhonda Johnson, and today is Friday, August 6, 2021. And today I'm talking about a call to action. Now, the 2020 coronavirus pandemic disproportionately struck Black America, and Black America has a lot to lose with this Delta variant. We all know by now it's more contagious. It's causing 95% of all U.S. infections now, and it's believed to cause more disease severity. Now, nationally, only 9% of Black Americans have received full doses of the COVID vaccines, according to the CDC data. Now, the percentage in your community may be higher. This 9% reflects the nationwide vaccination rate. And it's true that not all states accurately report data by race and ethnicity, so the actual percentage may be, hopefully, a little higher. Now, we've seen numerous Black elected officials, physicians, nurses, healthcare professionals, clergy, civil rights leaders, community advocates, members of the media and entertainment industry urge Black Americans to get vaccinated. But still, the numbers are not drastically changing. For every voice that says get vaccinated, encourages people to get vaccinated, there are the same number of voices that tell Black people to refuse vaccination. And some of these voices are well known. Now, Black Americans aren't the only demographic group here in the United States with low rates of COVID vaccination. Republicans who backed former President Trump have low rates of COVID vaccination also. And lately we've seen a huge increase in Republican leaders urging their base to get vaccinated. Recently, this week, Republican governors in Arkansas, West Virginia, Alabama, and Utah have been urging their constituents to get vaccinated. Now, is any of this working? We have to see. But a recent poll last week by the Associated Press, NORC Center for Public Affairs Research, found that most Americans who haven't been vaccinated against COVID say that they are unlikely to get the shots. And also, they doubt that they will work against the Delta variant. So the numbers are surprising. Among American adults who have not yet received a vaccine, 35% say they probably won't get it, and 45% say they're definitely not getting vaccinated, according to this AP poll. Only 3% of these folks say that they're going to get the shots, definitely. So we have some work to do. And again, 64% of these unvaccinated Americans who were participants in this poll that I'm talking about say they have little to no confidence that the shots are effective against the variants, including the Delta variants. So, I've been doing this for a while, and I believe that we can change these outcomes based upon other research that I've read and my own experience of dealing with people who have vaccine hesitancy and vaccine refusal. What works are conversations with family members and friends who have been vaccinated. I've seen this play a major role in persuading some people to get vaccinated. Now, a lot of people, their top reason for refusing to get vaccinated is concern about the side effects and safety. That's why a lot of unvaccinated people remain unvaccinated. So, for those of us who have been vaccinated without major side effects and we're still around, talking to other people, sharing our stories, getting the word out there that, if you had side effects, tell them, just be truthful. Tell them what they were and how long they lasted. Share your story so people really know what to expect. Because many people are fearful of these vaccines because of what they're reading on social media. I'm the first one to say these vaccines do not give a force field of invincibility. There will be breakthrough infections, and there will be more breakthrough infections as the Delta variant rages on. And people need to understand what these vaccines do is drastically reduce the risk of severe illness, ICU admission, and death. Just today, the CEO of Moderna acknowledged that the Delta variant is going to lead to an increase in breakthrough infections amongst the fully vaccinated, especially during the winter months as people begin moving back indoors. The Moderna company is actually running clinical trials with people getting a third booster shot that is more effective against the Delta and other variants. So I know folks have strong opinions, but I just want to say that I really do believe that with continued effort, we can change some, certainly not all, hearts and minds about vaccination. And the life that is saved may be someone that you or I know. Now, I know we don't have any black governors in the contiguous 48 states, Democratic or Republican. So we can't use that approach, but we can use all of our voices. And this is a call to action. I also want to say stay encouraged. I know it can feel like a steep uphill climb trying to convince people that the vaccines are safe and you should get vaccinated. But again, we're saving lives by combating misinformation. And take a rest when you need to take a rest. And then I hope you'll get back out there again. This is Dr. Rhonda Johnson. As always, my views are my own. Stay safe. And as always, have a blessed day.